I'm about to cook a delicious chicken recipe. This is a lighter and healthier take on the staple Chinese recipe, General Tso chicken. I'm gonna pair mine with jasmine rice. It's gonna take me about 30 minutes, so let's get started. Add the rice, measured water and a pinch of salt to a pan with a lid and bring to boil over high heat. Once the water boils, reduce the heat to low, then cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until the water is absorbed and the rice is cooked. Then you remove the pan from heat and keep covered until serving. Meanwhile, rinse the broccoli and separate into small florets. Then peel and slice the shallots. Boil the water in a kettle, then pour the measured water into a bowl and dissolve the chicken stock cube in it. Peel and crush the garlic, peel and grate the ginger. In the bowl, combine the garlic, ginger, hoisin sauce, soya sauce, honey, rice vinegar, chili flakes, watch out these are spicy, and a pinch of pepper. Mix it all well together and set aside. Chop the chicken into thin strips. Add the cornstarch to a plate or a bowl and turn the chicken strips in the cornstarch until well coated. Then you can heat a large pan over medium-high heat. Use a generous drizzle of vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, add the coated chicken. Fry for about 5 minutes or until nicely browned and cook through. Transfer the chicken to a plate. Keep the same pan and return the pan to a medium-high heat, and you can add in a second drizzle of oil. Then add the broccoli and shallots and stir fry with a pinch of salt for about 2 minutes. Then add the sauce and the fried chicken. Cook for another couple minutes until the sauce has thickened to your liking. Serve the stir fry over cooked rice and garnish with any reserved chili flakes. And now for the tips for this recipe. So if you are cooking and expecting for the whole family to enjoy this recipe, go easy on the spice. So that's the ginger, maybe only use half of it, and don't put the chili flakes into the dressing. Keep them as a garnish on the side, so then everybody can just sprinkle their own chili flakes, and that's a bonus because it's gonna add a nice pop of color on your plate. And that's dinner done. Tick. For more fast and easy weeknight dinners, you'll find them here. And for now, bon appétit.